welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this crystal clear iPhone 13 series case from Torras. This is a case for those of you that want a slim fit, clear case that allows you to see the beauty of your shiny new iPhone, but you also want really good protection. And this case provides that. So let's get it out here and take a look at it. And here you go. This is the case, and you can see it is a very crystal clear case. It's soft TPU material, so nice and grippy and protective, but it is also crystal clear. This is anti-yellowing material, so it will not turn yellow on you. It'll stay nice and clear the way you see it now. But what's great about it is this case has X-Shock. So if you look right there in the corner, you can see that X-Shock. It's like a little air cushion, and that is in each of the corners, because we all know if you drop your phone, if it hits the corner, that is the most dangerous spot. And these have that nice X-Shock air cushion in the corner that helps protect your phone from falls. So, and it's still really thin. You can see how thin this case is. It's very, very thin. So you've got a nice thin case. It's not going to add a lot of bulk to your phone, but you've got great protection in the corners there as well as on all the sides by this nice TPU material. Now you do have a place for all your buttons. You've got your button covers for volume there, and then the opening for your Do Not Disturb. On the other side here, you've got the button there for your power. And then on the bottom here, you've got the cutouts for your lightning port and your speakers. You also have slightly raised bezels. So you want to protect the front of your phone, and you have just a slightly raised bezel there, if you can see that, very tiny. So it's not going to add a lot of bulk or anything, but it's going to protect your phone if you're sitting it down flat. And same thing on the back, slightly higher raised bezel for that nice raised camera bump on the back of your iPhone. You want to make sure that that stays protected as well, and this will do that. Again, this is the crystal clear TPU case with the X-Shock protective corners by Torras. Really excellent, excellent case that allows the beauty of your iPhone to shine through because of the crystal clear non-yellowing material, but also offers excellent protection with those X-Shock bumps on each of the corners. So really excellent case by Torras if you're looking for a good case to protect your new iPhone 13, but you want to make sure that people can still see it and that the beauty of it shines through because that's what you paid for. Then this is definitely a great case for you.